kumusta yung turnout nung tryouts?
We weren't expecting na ganito kadami din talaga yung pupunta sa tryouts, and really, yeah, it's the first time to Ateneo holds this tryout, open tryout. So we're really happy na madami din talaga pumunta, and they're really talented. Lahat ng girls talaga na pumunta.
Ikaw, Ella, what do you think about the potential of the ones who tried out for you?
Nagulat na ako kasi ang dami talagang marunong. So, I'm really happy na madaming nagpunta tapos ganun pa sila ka-talented. So, I'm looking forward for next season.
We saw ourselves, like,
Parang na-imagine namin yung sarili namin like 7 years ago.
yeah, 7 years ago, trying out sa teams.
Can you tell us a bit of an experience when you were the ones who were trying out?
I guess we have the same feeling na parang kinakabahan at first, tapos parang feeling mo every move pinapanood ka.
Oo, parang every little na things na ginagawa inside the court, it matters. So,
Yeah, tapos wala pa masyadong confidence.
and I think it's really hard for the girls also ngayon kasi they're really performing really well and super dami nila. So, feeling ko na-challenge din talaga sila and kinakabahan kasi minsan lang magkaroon ng opportunity na lahat talaga tryouts lang talaga yung naglalaro. I mean, hindi naman din kami masyadong sumali sa kanila and sila lang yung nag-drill. So, I think it's really challenging and super new sa kanila kasi tryouts and kasama pa nila yung mga iba pang magta-tryouts from different parts of the country.
Ella, ikaw, pagka any tips for the new ones kung how to handle the pressure na pinapanood ka ng idol mo eh?
You're old na eh. You're old.
Siguro huwag na isipin nila na pressure. Like, siguro yung sana yung mindset nila is nandyan sila Alyssa para tumulong sa kanila, hindi para pagalitan sila or what. So, sana tingnan nila yun as something na that might help them to improve.
Have you ever experienced being rejected in a tryout?
Yata.
And since ang dami nila, and I've heard konti lang yung makukuha eh, do you have any tips for them na how to handle rejection?
Hirap talaga yan.
Mahirap talaga yung rejection.
Hirap talaga yung pinatay.
Pero I guess, isipin na lang nila na if ever is na makuha, they're meant for something greater than that. Siguro, for me lang may right place ka kung saan ka dapat talaga. So,
One last question for Eliza.
Yeah.
What about doon naman sa mga maraming choices na maraming kumukuha? Any tips on how they can come up with a good decision?
Well, definitely, it's gonna be hard because it's for their future eh. And college talaga, I mean, hindi lang din naman talaga dapat ka nag-excel sa school mo, but then you have to excel in both academics and your extracurricular. And I think they just have to listen to their parents and syempre sa hearts nila, kung ano talaga yung gusto nila. Kasi at the end of the day, they should be, parang dapat satisfied sila sa mga nafe-feel nila and na-fulfill nila yung mga, I mean, yung dapat happy sila at the end of the day. Kahit masama yung nangyari sa training, masama yung nangyari sa school, but then yung choice na ginawa nila, dapat andun pa rin yung hindi sila nagsisisi, nagre-regret sa pinili nila decision.
Okay, thank you!
Thank you! Sorry!